At Eramet, we believe in our responsibility towards our employees. That's why we are proud to present Eramet Global Care, a global agreement to establish a common base of social protection for all our employees. Eramet Global Care is a common base of essential benefits addressing crucial aspects of our employees' lives: death cover, maternity and conditions for women, health and prevention. When life takes unexpected turns, we ensure financial security for our employees and their families. In the event of an employee's death, we guarantee the equivalent of 1 year's salary to their beneficiaries. We also provide strong support for women in our group, enabling them to balance professional and personal life. We are committed to offering an inclusive and supportive work environment for women, with appropriate changing rooms, restrooms, and equipment. In addition, we guarantee 16 weeks of fully compensated maternity and adoption leave for all Eramet female employees. When returning from maternity leave, we offer provisions to balance work and breastfeeding with dedicated time. We also commit to neutralizing the impact of maternity on career development and compensation. We ensure that all our employees have access to health cover and strive to provide quality care and prevention programs to protect their well-being. With Eramet Global Care, we have taken a significant step in our commitment to our employees. We have decided that these rights will apply universally across the group, as we firmly believe that social protection should not depend on geography, nationality, or employee status. Of all the resources that make Eramet strong, our employees are the most valuable.